Hello and welcome. My name is Allan Burgess. Today we're looking at what must be the most versatile of all whitebait nets. It's the pole net. It consists of a long aluminium pole which is usually joined together in sections to make it easier to transport. The net or bag is made from lightweight Ulstron polypropylene. This material dries very quickly and it's so durable that a bag will often last for 10 years or more. There's a trap sewn into the end of the bag to prevent the whitebait from swimming back out again, and this trap is usually held closed by knotting the end of the bag. It's also a good idea to weight the end of the bag with a 3-ounce sinker to keep it on the bottom when fishing in faster water. The pole net is the one most whitebaiters start off with because it can be used just about anywhere, from grassy riverbanks, rock walls and in the surf.